Hey, what's up guys? Alex here with a new video, and today we're talking about the one accessory that's changed the game for me in 2025. Now that sounds like clickbait and it sounds super cheesy, but it's true. This year I discovered circular polarizing filters and they have changed the game for me. It's embarrassing to say, but I've been doing photography for over 15 years and I've never tried a CPL filter, so CPL is short for circular polarizing filter, until this year, and it's because the way they're marketed and advertised. So for the most part, CPL filters are used to remove glare out of objects or items. So for example, if you're shooting water, it removes the glare from the water. If you're shooting cars, it removes the glare and reflections. Essentially, think of it as almost sunglasses for your camera. As you know, sunglasses have polarizing lenses, and it's the same effect. Now, for me, as a former wedding photographer and portrait photographer, I never really thought I needed the benefits of a CPL filter until I actually tried one this year. CPL filters increase contrast by removing the glare and reflections on the image, and in turn also increase saturation in colors. So what you get by using a CPL filter is just a richer color palette straight out of camera. And that has completely changed the game for me. As a matter of fact, the last 2 months, I've gotten so many questions about what preset I'm using, what I've changed in my photography, and I'm using the same preset I've used for the last 2-3 years, the same cameras for the most part. The only thing I've changed is I now have a CPL filter for all my lenses. As a matter of fact, here in front of me, I have my Q343 and I have a Sigma BF on loan from Sigma right now that I'm testing out. And I have CPL filters on both these lenses. And like I mentioned, I actually purchased them for all my lenses. And I've tried cheap ones and I've tried expensive ones. Here on my Q343, I have the Polar Pro 135 series. So it's I think a $60 filter. And on the Sigma, I have I think $15 K&F Concept filter I got on Amazon. And the reality is, from a image quality perspective, I haven't really seen a difference. Now, from a build quality perspective, yeah, the Polar Pro is built nicer. It feels like it's made out of better materials. It's also easier to remove. This K&F Concept one is a little harder to remove from lenses. It could be a challenge, but from an image quality perspective, they're the same and they deliver the same results. But I'm here to talk about the difference it makes with colors. When you're shooting outdoors, when you're shooting the sky, because of the polarization happening with the filter, you're going to get a deeper blue sky, which in return means your clouds will pop more. But again, it impacts the entire color palette in the image. And I'm just getting the richest tones out of these photos because I'm using the CPL filter. So as you've seen throughout the video, I'm posting images and all the pictures I've taken just have this pop to them that have completely blown me away. And I wanted to make this video to share this because, again, for the most part, these filters are used and talked about in like the automotive photography industry and landscape. But the reality is, for portraits, for street, a CPL filter can make a huge difference to your colors and to your final image. I've had some people also tell me that you can probably get the same effect in post with editing. Now, maybe, I don't think so, because I think the effect you're getting by using a CPL filter is you are removing the glare, you are removing reflections, and you really can't do that in post. Of course, you can add contrast and you can make the colors more saturated, but it's a different look than getting it out of or in camera with a filter on. And I highly encourage everyone, if you haven't tried one or used one, to go out and buy one. But at the end of the day, these filters have changed the game for me because they've made me see colors in a different way. And now I'm kind of chasing that pop more and more. And it's inspired me to shoot more. And when something inspires you to shoot more, that's a good thing because that means you're producing more images. And I've been incredibly happy with the results. So I'm here to share my newfound knowledge on these filters. Some of you might roll your eyes because you've been using them forever, and some of you might be in the camp I was in where you've never tried one and you're going to check one out. So, what do you guys think? I've been playing images throughout the entire video. Have you used one before? If you haven't, are you going to give one a shot? Let me know down in the comments below. And as always, thank you for watching, guys. If you want more content like this, please hit the subscribe button. It really helps out a ton. Smash the like button, and as always, I will see you on the next one. Have a good one, guys. Peace.